the sacred valley of the Incas, high in the Peruvian Andes, lie the salt mines of Maras. These terraced pools have been producing salt since pre-Incan times, and their appearance, a mosaic of white, pink, and brown salt, pans spread out across the mountainside. It offers a striking contrast to the lush green valley below. Located near the town of Maras, about 25 miles or 40 kilometers northwest of Cusco, these salt ponds are not only an important cultural site, but they're also a fascinating aspect of ancient engineering and natural resources that continue to serve the local community. The origins of the salt mines are tied to the natural salt spring that flows from the mountains. The salt water from the spring has been channeled into thousands of small ponds or salt pans, which are meticulously managed by local families. Each family owns several pans and follows time-honored methods for harvesting the salt. The process is actually quite simple. Salt water from the spring fills the pans and the sun evaporates the water. Salt crystals are then left behind. The salt is then scraped off by hand, sorted by quality, and collected for sale. The salt produced in Maras is known for its distinctive flavors and mineral-rich composition. In particular, pink salt, prized for its unique color and flavor, draws food enthusiasts and health-conscious consumers alike. The pink color comes from the various minerals found in the natural spring water, including magnesium, calcium, and iron. The high mineral content gives the salt a nutritional edge over more processed table salts, and has made it a sought-after commodity both locally and internationally. Beyond the salt itself, the site serves as a bridge between the present and the ancient world. The system of terraces, channels, and pans, it reflects sophisticated engineering, a marvel considering its continued use over the centuries. The technology is simple but effective, relying entirely on gravity and natural evaporation. It's all about the ingenuity of the early Andean civilizations. It's a practice that's been passed down through generations, and the communal management of the salt pans continues to foster a strong sense of cultural identity here. Visiting the salt mines today truly feels like stepping back in time. The terraces, they stretch out as far as the eye could see, each pool reflecting the sky and the surrounding mountains in shimmering hues. The slow, methodical pace of salt harvesting continues, with workers tending to the pans as their ancestors did long before the rise of the Incan Empire. For the locals, the mines are more than just a source of income. They're linked to their past, and they are truly a way of life that has remained largely unchanged for centuries. These are Interesting Things with JC.